Second BBA, Advanced Accounting. 10th module, Final Accounts of Insurance Company. Insurance means protection against risk of loss. Risk is inevitable in business. Property or goods is always subject to destructions or damages by fire, floods, wind or earthquake, etc. There is also the possibility of riots, robbery and injuries to employees. There may be loss of life, illness or physical disability. So, to cover the risk of loss from such events, the businessman may insure their business as well as their life with an insurance company. വ്യാപാര സ്ഥാപനങ്ങളിൽ റിസ്ക് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഒഴിച്ചുകൂടാൻ പറ്റാത്ത ഘടകമാണ്. ഈ റിസ്കിൽ നിന്ന് സംരക്ഷണം നേടാൻ വേണ്ടി എല്ലാ വ്യാപാരികളും പ്രസ്തുത വ്യാപാരത്തിൻ്റെ അസറ്റുകളെയും അതുപോലെ തന്നെ വ്യാപാരികളുടെ ജീവനും ഇൻഷുർ ചെയ്യുന്നതാണ്. മീനിങ് ഓഫ് ഇൻഷുറൻസ്. Insurance is a contract whereby one party agrees for a consideration called premium to indemnify the others against a possible loss or to pay a stated sum of money on the happening of a particular event. The party who undertakes the risk is called insurer, that is insurance company. And the party who risk is covered is called insured. Insured means the person who takes the insurance policy. The written document which contains the contract is known as policy. It is only an evidence of the contract. The policy states the terms and conditions of insurance contract. Next topic, types of insurance. Insurance are classified into two, life insurance and general insurance. Let us discuss life insurance. Life insurance is a contract by which insurer, in consideration of a premium, agrees to pay a certain sum of money either on the death of the insured or on the expiry of the specified period, whichever happens earlier. A life insurance contract is a long-term contract and the insured must pay the premium at a stated interval. The insurance company guarantees to pay a certain sum of money to the insured on the happening of the event. General insurance. General insurance is a contract under which the insurer, in consideration of certain premium, undertakes to indemnify the insured for any loss or liability he may incur on the happening of an uncertain event. There are different branches of general insurance. They include fire insurance, marine insurance, and miscellaneous insurance. Miscellaneous insurance includes motor accident insurance, workman compensation insurance, loss of profit insurance, etc. Next topic, most important one, difference between life insurance and general insurance. Number one, life insurance is a contract of guarantee, but general insurance is a contract of indemnity. Second one, in life insurance, the event, that means death or maturity, is certain So there will always be a claim. But in a general insurance, the event is uncertain. It may or may not be happen. So there may or may not be a claim. In life insurance, combination of both the protection against the risk and provision for savings or investment. But in general insurance, only a protection against actual loss. Next one. In life insurance, insurable interest is essential at the time of taking life policy. But in general insurance, for fire insurance, insurable interest is essential at the time of taking policy and also at the time of loss. Next one, life insurance is a long-term contract. Policies are taken for 10 years, 15 years, or 20 years, or 25 years, or 30 years. But general insurance is a short-term contract. Policies are generally taken for only 1 year. In life insurance, premium is payable monthly, quarterly, half-yearly, or annually. But in general insurance, premium is always payable in lump sum. In life insurance, premium is fixed on the basis of age and health of the insured. But in general insurance, premium is based on the degree of risk of loss involved. In life insurance, life policy can be surrendered. But in general insurance policy cannot be surrendered. In life insurance, double insurance is common. But in general insurance, double insurance is not common. Reinsurance is common in general insurance.